I made an app called Simonar, and what it does is it gives the timeline of the day of the certain topic we are searching for. We can see here there is a timeline of machine learning and how it evolved over time, and there's the methodology, the paradigm, and the evolution of the research that was done during the time, and what the evolution it brought up on the field. And now I'm going to show you the live demo, the global economy. Let's see the timeline of the global economy and the research that happened in the topic. And let me show you the code. So the code has like three API calls which are sequential. So first of all, it gets the basic timeline data, which contains which return back like the ID, the year, the title, the discovery, the summary, and the key insight. And after that, the output of this API call is fed into the step two, which gives us the methodology, the paradigm, and the evolution data, the field evolution data. And so this is done so that the API doesn't hallucinate and gives us like good information. And after that, the output from both the step 1 and step 2 is fed into the step 3 to get the source, URL, author, and citation data. Now okay, so this was a big problem for me because the URL that the Sonar API was returning was linking to the Wikipedia article that showed the timeline of the topic I was searching for, but not the actual thing that happened during the year. So, and like it was hallucinating, right? So after doing the sequential API calls, it stopped hallucinating and like made everything so much more reliable. And also it made it a lot more faster because now I could update the timeline in real time. Because after getting the output from the step 1, I could update the front end to show the output that was returned from the step 1. And after getting the output from step 2, we could like update the front end repeatedly to update the user on the so it made the user wait less. uh, so you can see here, so it was is updating the methodology paradigm, and it's all happening in real time, so there's like no wait, and the user has no problem accessing the data. And there's no source here, right? You can see. Yeah. And after that, after the methodology paradigm and evolution is fully updated in each of the entries, the sources will start being updated, and the user will be able to access the sources. And also you guys can check out the live demo that I've hosted it on Vercel. The front end, I've hosted the front end on Vercel and the back end on Azure. And so like you guys can check it out. I'll keep it up over the duration of the judging period, so you guys can check it out too. But this is kind of slow. It takes like 2 minutes to complete, because I'm making sequential APIs call and getting a lot of information from Sonar API. I think I could make it faster, but I don't know how to do it yet. Yeah. Thank you for watching.